If you want to make wheel spin in GIMP and give your image a more dynamic, motion-filled look, this tutorial will show you the easiest way to do it step by step. Whether you're editing a car photo, a racing graphic, or just trying to add a sense of speed, this effect can make a huge difference in the final result. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple GIMP tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open GIMP and load the image you want to edit by going to File, then Open. Once your image is on the canvas, zoom in a little so you can clearly see the wheel you want to animate with the spin effect. The more precise you are here, the better your final result will look. Next, you need to isolate the wheel. Select the Ellipse Select tool by pressing E on your keyboard. Now, hold Shift and Control while dragging from the exact center of the wheel hub. This helps you create a perfect circular selection that matches the shape of the tire or rim. Try to line it up as accurately as possible with the outer edge of the wheel, because any misalignment can make the effect look uneven. Once the wheel is selected, copy it by pressing Ctrl+C, then paste it with Ctrl+V. After that, click the new layer icon at the bottom of the Layers panel to turn that pasted wheel into its own independent layer. This is important because it lets you apply the effect without affecting the rest of the image. Now make sure your new spinning wheel layer is selected in the Layers panel. With that layer active, go up to the top menu and choose Filters, then Blur, then Circular Motion Blur. This is the filter that will create the spinning wheel look. After you open the filter, a configuration overlay should appear on your canvas along with a central pivot handle. This part matters a lot because the center point controls where the spin originates from. Drag that pivot point carefully and place it directly over the middle of the wheel's center cap or hub logo. If this point is off even a little, the wheel may look warped or wobbly instead of spinning naturally. Once the pivot is in place, look at the angle slider in the filter settings. This controls the amount of blur, which also affects how fast the wheel appears to be spinning. For a realistic effect, try a setting between 5 and 15 degrees. If you want the motion to look more subtle, keep it lower. If you want a faster racing style blur, increase it a little more. As you adjust the settings, watch the preview on the canvas and make sure the spokes blur evenly around the circular path. The goal is to make the wheel look like it's spinning naturally, not stretched or distorted. Take a moment to fine-tune the angle and pivot position until it looks right. When everything looks good, click OK to apply the filter. GIMP will process the effect and your wheel should now have a convincing spinning motion look. If you want, you can repeat the same process on other wheels in the image to match the effect across the whole vehicle. And that's it. You've just learned how to make wheels spin in GIMP using a simple selection and circular motion blur. This is a great technique for car edits, action graphics, thumbnails, and creative photo manipulations. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next GIMP editing guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.